10 words a day for beginners. But. I like him, but he doesn't like me. You came, but I am not happy. Not. This is not good. He is not my friend. What? What is your name? What is this? All. I want to buy them all. All things are possible. Were. They were tired. You and I were not friends. We are from Canada. We are students. When is your birthday? When is the concert? Your. What is your name? Where is your car? Can. I can speak English. He can drive a truck. Said. He said he was tired. My mom said I was lazy.